finish your orange? Huh? You still have orange here. You have to finish your orange. How? What are you looking? I'm taking a video. There's an evidence. Gabi, there's an evidence. There's an evidence that you still have the orange. You have to finish it. You are listening? Huh? Are you listening? You still have the orange. See? How many oranges you eat? In the face. How many oranges you eat? Huh? 1? Can you count? 1, 2. Finish. Okay? Finish your orange. What's that face? Huh? What's that face? Show them. Show to them that you are eat orange. Eat orange. Eat. Aba! Eat.
Nagugutom ka na?
Hindi pa na bakit?
Sinalak ko pala yung kanin.
Asan niya?
Yung kape mo, no?
Okay, may inom ako. Today is our second anniversary. Oh, but why you putting this one in your ear? Huh? Eat. Orange. Eat orange. Yum. Again. Orange. See? Orange. What happened to you? Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is your egg. Ayan. Get little na. Get little. Get little. Okay. Enough. Don't play. Eat egg. Scramble egg. Scramble egg. Scrambled egg. Nice? You like it? I want to get my phone.
Why he licks the egg?
Mm. Eat.
Look, he's walking.
And you can say it's a
It's a watermelon.
make a vlog.
Gimme.
No, your hand's dirty.
He wants more.
One more. Video. You want more?
Ew.
Baby.
Ah, look at the crunch.
Will you be just too much near? Make it. Video. And send to the our group, ha? Send to pamangkin. Wait, so very near.
I put the two.
Wait. The rice. You like? Strawberry. Cheers. Not cheers. 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 Nice. Nice bread. Nice bread. Cheers. 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 Gabi. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers tayo. Cheers. Cheers. Eat. Yummy. Yummy. I'm gonna finish. Like it? This is a brown bread. Like? You like? You like? Like it? Love you. Gabi, oatmeal, strawberry and banana. Okay? Okay? Oatmeal, strawberry and banana. You like? You like banana? You like it, Nat? It's a oatmeal with strawberry and banana. Ligat. What's this? Dungis mo, strawberry banana. Hello guys, good morning. Ito, pinapakain ko si Gabi ng oatmeal na may milk. Na milk niya, na may banana and strawberry. Okay? Oh, ayan. Ipopost kita. Okay? So, ganito ginagawa namin. Susubukan ko siya. Ayaw niyang umanga. He doesn't want to open his mouth. Then, I use this to play with him and to catch open his mouth. Ow! Nom 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 nom. I catch your mouth. The one bread. The one bread na. That's it. So ito kailangan niya ubusin. Yan. Habang ako naman ay kakain ng champurado. Bye!
Well, that's not the A. Jump on A. Uh-oh, this is getting tricky because this is a lowercase a. The A. Yeah, jump on A. Awesome. Which one now? We're almost there. Jump on A. You made it to the other side, friend. Great job helping me with uppercase A and lowercase a.
Baby got me some ball.
Mhm. This is Gabby's food. This is your food. Oatmeal banana with mango puri. Okay, Gabby, this is your food. You like it? He will be like it. What are you eating? Gabriel, what are you eating? Peanut butter with bread? Or bread with peanut butter? Anyway, he's watching Busy Buzzer. Hey, what's that? Gabriel, medyo na pa ako mas makalamdam ni Mama. May sikon. Sikon naman, may ubo. Ano yan? Hati tayo? So, today's menu, patatas, kalabasa, and pechay. Siyempre, lalagyan ko na rin ng kanin. Okay? Rice, pechay, spinach, and carrots. No, not carrots. Potato pala. Yan to ako. Gabi, this your food.
Oh,
Okay.
say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama, for preparing my food.
Huh?
Love you, Mama.
You eat this one, ah. Don't make it choosy, ah.
Oh, eat.
Don't too much picky, ah.
Okay, Mama.
You have to eat this.
No problem. I'm a big boy. That's why I will eat all of that. Yan. Mm. Ganda ng bandera. Oh. Let's say thank you to Mama. Mama, thank you so much for being hands-on to me because I have always a good food, good nutrients,
Okay, then?
and
No.
insurance niya, free ba? Again, wala pa yung insurance. So, kung international
What's that?